1. Complaint Kantilal Chandamal Verma filed report alleging that on 7 August 2013 at about 12 hours he attended his office at New Municipal Corporation Office Ahmednagar. At that time, activities of Maharashtra Navnirman Sena lead Morcha in this office and encircled their area engineer Sri Satpute and assistant commissioner Sri Parshurami at that time. Some activists were dicing the paving blocks with hoe and spade. At that time, Sachin Duffal, Vasant Loda, Ganesh Bhosle, Satish and advocate Anita Dike were standing there and they were encouraging the activities. Their officer Parsrirami and Satpute gave understanding to the activists, but they have raised quarrel with them and did not listen anything. They have dug pits at 4 to 5 places at municipal corporation and damaged public property. Accordingly, he has filed report at Topkhana police station, Para. On the basis of report crime number I-354 oblique 2013 under section 353, 341, 427 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and under section 37 135 of Bombay Police Act was registered against accused persons and its investigation was handed over to PI Sri Gogavle. Therefore, the investigating officer visited spot of incident, prepared spot Panchanama and recorded statement of witnesses. After completion of the investigation, filed charge sheet in the court. Accused appeared before the court and were released on bail. Thereafter, charge as per Exhibit 21 came to be framed against accused person. Its contents were read over to them in vernacular to which they pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. Their defense is of total denial as per statements recorded under section 313 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, para. After considering rival contention of the parties, following points arise for my determination, to which I have recorded my findings for the reasons stated below respectively. Para. Reasons. Para. As point numbers 1 to 4 are interlinked with each other, hence taken together for discussion with intent to avoid repetition on record. Para. In order to prove the guilt of the accused, prosecution has examined PW1 Milin Vaidya. Para. Heard limited app for the state and limited counsel for the accused. Limited app argued that at the relevant time, accused person in furtherance of their common intention gathered at Ahmednagar Municipal Corporation and damaged the paving blocks of the public property. Accordingly, prosecution has proved the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt. Hence, praise for to convict the accused persons. Para. On the other hand, limited advocate for accused argued that the complainant is not examined before the court by the prosecution, so the complaint itself is not proved by the prosecution. It is material infirmity with the case of prosecution. The prosecution has failed to prove the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt. Hence, praise for to acquit the accused. Para. Prosecution witness 1 Milind Vaidya in his evidence at Exhibit 34 stated that on 8 August 2013 he was called by the police for spot Panchanama in the vicinity of Municipal Corporation. Complainant Verma was present there. 3 paving blocks were found uprooted due to which loss was caused to the municipal corporation. Accordingly, Panchanama at Exhibit 35 was drawn in his presence, where in his cross-examination this material witness stated that nothing was seized by the police from the spot of incident. No measurement of the pits was carried out by the investigating officer. Accordingly, as per evidence of this material witness, nothing was seized from the spot of incident. Para. PW2 Sanju in his evidence at Exhibit 39 stated that in the year 2013, he was working as Assistant Commissioner at Municipal Corporation Ahmednagar situated at Aurangabad Road.